Best laptops for animation in 2020. Be it 2D, 3D, VR or AR, professional animators require some of the most powerful computers in the world. On the desktop, it's easy since the size is not an issue, but when it comes to laptops that can do animation, you must be looking for a tough combination of performance, portability and reliability. That is when you don't have to wait for hours for rendering final content or adding new layers to your work. But it should not weigh that much or crash that often. With all these requirements at our disposal, choosing the right laptop for animators becomes an irritating task. One of the easiest options is to go for a gaming laptop or a portable workstation, but as said earlier, we are looking for laptops today and we are bringing top 7 laptops available for you in the market. And in this video, we are not keeping tabs on the price much because spending some amount on your first animation laptop is way better than replacing your laptop every year. Hi, you are watching Expert Buy, and if you are new to our channel, you should know all our recommendations are based on unbiased research by our editorial team. The Acer Helios 300 comes with everything you had been looking for in a laptop suited for high-end animation. Whether you are into 3D animation, graphic design and drawing or VFX Ninja, this machine has you covered. Besides, you can also play high-end games like Fortnite, Overwatch, Skyrim or even develop high-end games using Unity, Unreal Engine. What else do you need? Powering the high performance of the device is an Intel Core i7 processor with a base clock of 2.8 GHz. That said, Turbo Boost can take the clock speed up to 3.8 GHz, which is great while rendering. Going further, you would spot that 32 GB of DDR4 RAM when combined with 256 GB of SSD storage, you are assured of best booting speeds and multi-layer editing. Machine is coming with a 15.6-inch Full HD display as far as dedicated graphics are concerned. A heavy performance 6GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 is included. You also get RGB backlit keyboard with sufficient customization options. You can find Amazon link for this brilliant machine down below in the description. ASUS ROG Zephyrus S is an amazing choice if you are looking for a thin machine suited for animators who are also into graphic design without compromising the performance aspect. The device is powered using an Intel Core i7 processor with a turbo boost speed of up to 3.9 GHz. Device has packed only 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. However, on the bright side, you get 512 GB of SSD storage. It's coming with a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 920 x 1080. However, what matters more is the 144Hz refresh rate, which means you can make those snappy changes. On the dedicated graphics side, the 8GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 is more than capable of doing an amazing job. For style, you also get RGB backlit keyboard. If you are an animator who loves the convenience of portability, ASUS VivoBook Pro 17 is an awesome choice from the market. The performance of this laptop is powered by an Intel Core i7 processor with a base clock speed of 1.8 GHz, but it can reach up to 4.6 GHz on Turbo Boost. You are getting 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and there is a combination of both SSD and HDD in the device. You get 256 GB of SSD storage and 1 TB of HDD storage. In this, you are getting a 17.3-inch Full HD panel with a maximum resolution of 920 x 1080. To boost the visual real estate, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 with a VRAM of 4GB would be more than enough. This is also one of the bigger screen laptop we have in our list today. As always, check description for the links. Razer Blade 15. We think it's a great laptop for high performance tasks such as animation and machine learning. At its core, the Razer Blade 15 is powered by an Intel Core i7 with a maximum clock speed of 4.1 GHz. This practically means animation programs would run smoothly. You are getting 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is more than sufficient for heavy program. As we come to the storage compartment, Razer gives you 256 GB of full SSD storage, which gets the job done. It comes with a big enough Full HD screen of 15.6 inches. Nevertheless, You get access to 6 GB of dedicated graphics thanks to NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 included in the laptop. Despite the compact design, precision is one of the many things you can expect from the laptop. Best convertible laptop, Microsoft Surface Book. If you are looking for an all-rounder laptop with enough performance for animators, Microsoft Surface Book is a great choice in the market. It comes with Intel Core i7 processor with a clock speed of 4.2 GHz on Turbo Boost. On the memory side, you get the standard 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. The Microsoft Surface Book 2 also packs 256 GB of full SSD storage, and if you are ready to pay a higher price, you can go for a version with extra storage as well. The Microsoft Surface Book 2 is also one of the few 4K display laptops an animator can get today. The 15-inch display has a resolution of 3260 x 2160, which keeps everything crystal clear, and touchscreen support adds a lot of value. On the graphics side, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 has 6 GB of GDDR5 video RAM to keep things afloat at all times. Microsoft estimates up to 10 hours of battery life when you are streaming. If you are rendering, though, that's unrealistic. On the bright side, the laptop has a minimum weight of 2.38 lbs, which is pure class if you ask us. To place your order, Amazon links are available in the description. If you are an animator who uses programs that work well on Macintosh, in that case, MacBook Pro 15-inch is a super beast choice for what it is worth. Powering this performance-oriented laptop is an Intel Core i7 processor that is clocked at 2.9 GHz, but it can reach up to 3.9 GHz when Turbo Boost is enabled. 16 GB of LPDDR3 RAM is enough for even the toughest animation software out there. Add to this the power of 512 GB of full SSD storage, and 15.4-inch Retina display has been included with amazing sharpness and color coverage. With a resolution of 2880 and 1800, you won't miss any details while previewing or rendering. On the graphics side, we can spot a Radeon Pro 560 with 4 GB of GDDR5 VRAM as well. It also packs Touch Bar and Touch ID, which add convenience and customizability. At the end of the day, Apple estimates a battery life of up to 10 hours. Gigabyte Aero 15X is definitely one of the best laptops an animator could possibly have if they want a thinner design with no compromise on performance. At the core of this ultra-thin gaming laptop is an Intel Core i7 with a base clock speed of 2.2 GHz, but it can reach up to 4.1 GHz on Turbo Boost. The company has included 16 GB of DDR4 RAM to keep things extra fast. The computer also packs 512 GB of SSD storage. Both of these things matter a lot when you want maximum speed, among other things. It's a 15.6-inch thin bezel display with a top refresh rate of 144 GHz, so your animation programs and gamers can be very snappy. It has a standard max resolution of 920 x 1080. As far as dedicated graphics go, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 has a huge enough 8 GB VRAM for managing all the graphics intensive tasks, and with backlit keyboard and maximum battery life of up to 10 hours, got this laptop into the list. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video helped you in making decision of buying best laptop for you, do give us the thumbs up, and if you are looking for more videos like this on different items, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to let us know in the comments down below about which topic you want us to make next video. We always keep the links in the description updated for best prices. Check them out. See you in the next one. Have a great day.